Gemini 3.0. Whoa. Okay. All right. So, how I even knew that Gemini 3.0 was out was because look at my mouse. See this thing right here? This thing is what showed me because I was like, okay, this is a new thing. I've never seen it before. This is like Cluely, right? Not trying to say they copied Cluely, but they low key did because like the only thing I know that has this kind of look, being able to look at the screen and being able to help you with anything on the screen. Yeah, I mean Cluely has that, but it's all right. I give Google props because you know, I mean, it looks like they're just winning. They're just winning. Okay, so basically, you go into Google AI Studio, see bring any ID to life. Okay, as you can see, this is everything that's here. But I want to really know what I can do with it. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, say, what can I do with Gemini 3? Because you know what? I heard you can make games on this. Properly British. What? Okay. I heard you can make games on this. Okay. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make see right here, you can make games and legit games. Like I don't believe that, but you can make legit games with Gemini 3. You can make agents, yeah, agents. That's right. I already knew this. I think even OpenAI, you can make agents too, but I've never tried making agents with Gemini just because it's not really meant to be making agents. I think they kind of just added it because they didn't want to get left behind. So that's why they did that. Watermark removals. I'm saying, I don't know why it's giving me this. What features of Gemini 3 Pro? I think I typed in the wrong thing. Okay, let's see. Supports a million tokens. Hmm. Can handle text, PDF, all in the same prompt. Agentic coding. Okay. Yep. Yes. Okay. So, anyways, I've seen some really cool games using this thing, and I'm like, you know what? I'm tired of waiting. If we can look at this right here, look at this. Somebody even shared. Somebody even they put this game up here. I don't. Do they have the code for it too? Wow. Somebody made a whole game with insane, insane, insane. Okay, but I'm gonna make a GTA because I'm tired of waiting for GTA. I'm tired of it. You can make apps. You can make voice apps. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be like, give me a prompt to make a full interactive GTA game in Google Studio. All right, let's see what it can do. Make my own game with AI. And it's very simple. I don't need to use any C. I don't even need to do any kind of code. It looks like all I have to do is just type in a prompt. I literally just copy this user prompt and go into here and paste it right in here. Oops, wrong button. Now, obviously, it takes time, right? This took around like 3 minutes, but ooh, it came out with a thing called Night City. I'm gonna just first look at the code just because I just want to see what they use. So it looks like they're using TypeScript, which is kind of weird. I've never seen a game use TypeScript before. Hmm. No C in this. Hmm. Okay, whatever. All right, let's see what they got. Let's see what they got here. Okay, one key down is for the driving. So that means driving. You use the key up. Let's see what else they got. Trees and lights. Okay, trees. Okay, looks like that was in the prompt. Uh, attack. Looks like players can attack each other. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, they're using the math random. Okay, car. Okay, good. I don't know what color this is. Oh, damn. Also, I added a little something in the prompt, right? Where basically you put in a picture of like who you want to use, right? So I'll just take any picture. I said put a picture like you upload a picture of yourself or whatever, and they become the character. I don't think it's gonna be like that good, just because this is AI making it, right? They're not even using C. Okay, okay. Well, looks like looks like this is not bad actually. Wow, this is a whole world. But I'm blown away that this was made in TypeScript. That's They did not use C for this, okay? Because the only thing I know, I don't have that much experience with making games, but every game I have made is with C plus. So them making this in TypeScript is insane. Oh, okay. Obviously, this is not a game that you can just deploy. Obviously, it's not ready for deploy. They got NPCs, but you can't really hit them. So, wow. You're telling me that you can just make a full game? I can make any game. That's crazy. All right, let me try to LBM. I think that's left button. Oh, so I guess this means shoot, huh? Now it looks all right. The shooting is all right. Let's see. Can you enter places? Oh, so it looks like you can enter places, but looks like the places not have been brought up yet. All right, he has an exclamation mark, so I don't know what that means. And he's running towards me. I think that means he's angry. Okay, and you see the health bar go down. Wait, can I attack this person? Not even letting me attack. Oh my god. Okay, fine, fine. I'll just go. I'll just run away. Oh, yeah. I mean, like I said, like you can't. This is not a game that's ready to deploy, obviously. But I mean, just with some prompting, you can make this a full game. Like this is off one prompt. Let me remind you. This is one prompt. I didn't even like. I didn't even like really look at the prompt. I kind of just told ChatGPT make me a prompt that's similar to GTA style at night, and it has a Ren AI logo. That's it. That's the only thing I said, and it looks like it came on with a whole game. Oh wait, what does that say? Iron Gym. Okay, let's see if I can go to the gym. It looks like the gym is gone. Okay, so I don't know what happened. I don't know. It has wasted just like GTA. This is insane, dude. Insane. So F means drive. Okay, so see what else can we add to this. I'm gonna see right here. You can literally change the game just by typing in stuff. I'm not gonna lie, Gemini, you outdone yourself. I thought OpenAI was winning in this. Right now, it's OpenAI and Gemini. Microsoft is being like left in the dust. I don't know what they're doing. They're literally doing nothing. Like Gemini is like Google and Gemini are definitely both competing with each other because every time Google drops something, the Gemini tries to up. Not, every time Google drops something, then OpenAI drops something else. Okay, looks like it's stuck now, so I don't know. It's like they're competing with each other. Oh, we're gonna build an agent builder now. Oh, now we're gonna build an agent builder. We made Sora 2 to compete with VO3. VO3 is like, oh, well, let's do VO 3.1. All right, let's make the NPCs punch with actual arms and they have health bars. Okay, now I'm gonna just watch the code. I'm not gonna do any coding in this, right? I'm just gonna watch it. I'm curious. I'm curious on how Gemini thinks. I'm I don't know. I'm not gonna touch no code. Okay, I'm gonna let Gemini make the whole game. Looks like it already made it. Sky text, street text. Hmm. This is literally the opportunity right here. You know how many SaaSes you can make with this? Like you just go into app builder, say, hey, I want to make an app, right? And you can make it very nice, very professional. You can actually sell that to service. Like people literally, I swear, I have not seen like one post about Gemini 3, the most intelligent model out there. I've not seen one post about it. I don't know why. I think people are just like they like to be sleeping, or I think people just don't like AI. But like, bro, you can literally profit off this. You can make a game. Obviously, you have to do some really like more prompting than this, right? But this is, imagine, this is just one prompt. This is a ChatGPT prompt. Like, if you really detail it, if I said really put buildings here, make the sidewalks look more realistic, obviously it's not going to be GTA 5. Like, obviously you can't do that, right? Because this is an AI. But like, I'm just saying, do you know 10 years ago how long this would have taken to make? Right? One of my C sharp classes, I had to make a game, right? And it wasn't even 3D, it was 2D. And that took me almost 2 months to make. And it was a 2D game. 2D, not even interactive. It was like a helicopter game where a helicopter like goes and dodges stuff. Like, oh my god, using C sharp. Oh my god, man! Like, I just don't know what game developers gonna do now. If this is what's happening now. It is such a stark difference from like years ago. Years ago when this stuff wasn't available. When to make games, if you really want to make a game, you actually need to understand C. You actually need to understand interaction, um, how to make a map, how to do the functions, how to wrap it all in a structured HTML, how to make sure it's friendly layout on mobile, iOS, on the web app. Like, so many, so many things that back then that now is just like insane, bro. Insane. You have to. Let's go in the bodega. Oh, so it looks like the buildings really can't go anywhere. I think shift. Yeah, shift is to run. But wow, Corp HQ looks like you can't go in there, and I think this is just a consulting agency. I don't know where it came from. Burger joint, but yeah, I mean these places are empty because I didn't try. You know what? I'm gonna try make the burger joint building right, and look at how simple it looks. Right, I'm not even like doing a really crazy prompt. Make the journal real where player can walk inside. It is interior symmetrical a burger joint. Okay. Now, how much time this would have taken to code? Okay. You would have to go into the city map. You'll have to find the burger joint. You will have to first set up every single what's it called? Set up the CS. No, they're not using CSS, but you would have to do a bit of detailing when it comes to this, right? This would take probably around an hour to make the interior, even just a simple interior, probably like an hour. This thing is running and is doing it for me. I'm shocked. I really, I can't believe it. I can't believe Gemini 3.0. This is like a probably the easiest way for a non-tech person, right? Somebody that there's a lot of people that want to like get into tech, but they can't get past the coding, right? The coding is like something that's just like turns them off. Like, it's like I have a friend that always wanted to make a video game, but he just doesn't know, like, he doesn't like the process of it. He wants to make the game, but he doesn't want to go through the process of it. I understand. This is literally skipping the process. This is like, hey, I have a game idea. I put it in ChatGPT, say make it more detail, and then put it into here. Like, there's no way you can be broke in 2026 when you can literally drop apps left and right just like that. Now, I don't know how long this was, but I think this was like 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I made a full interactive 3D game that resembles GTA, that has every single function GTA has, right? And not even using C. That's the one that's blowing my mind. Like, I don't know. I mean, that's the thing that's blowing my mind. Is this whole thing is made in TypeScript React. Oh my god. But anyways, let me see how it came out. Now, just be mindful that since this is still new, there's still going to be some issues. Like, I tried making an interior, and then sometimes it just stops the code for some reason, which I don't know why. I think because it's just such a new model, but I'm pretty sure they'll fix it soon. Like, I'm not too worried about that. But it even gives you suggestions, which is insane, insane. Like, this is so crazy. I don't know what are what things can you do with Gemini 3.0, right? Besides making games, I low key want to gatekeep it because I don't want people to find out that you can do this stuff with Gemini. But making this, I kind of am doing the opposite by recording this. But yeah, I'm gonna go on one last joy ride, right? And if I make something crazy, I'm definitely gonna like put it out there. But even the apps is insane. Like you don't even need to go on Lovable and pay a what just happened? You don't even need to go on Lovable and like buy a subscription and pay $25. It's free. You can make the apps for free out here. It's like I just gotta say thank you, Google. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate Google. I'm always rocking with Google. Google over OpenAI. Google over Microsoft. Like man, Microsoft. I don't know what y'all are doing. Copilot, that's the only AI thing they have, as far as what I know. It's the only thing. Like no video generation. I don't know what they're doing, but shoot. Oh, looks like I'm stuck. Yeah, so of course there's gonna be some bugs in the game. I mean, it's AI generated, so it looks like when I shoot at somebody and they have the arrow, and it looks like when they come near me, the health bar right here goes down. But yeah, I mean, I'm very, very impressed. Like, I'm super impressed by this. I'm gonna try to do more stuff like this, especially if I could, if I take the time to actually make a game. Ooh, man! But it's accessible to anybody. You know you have Gemini when you have this thing on the right, the top right, which I was like, whoa, 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 like insane, bro.